What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today's video is going to kind of be a mixed little video. It's going to be partially a recap from my trades I took on Wednesday. Thursday I didn't trade at all, and Friday is going to be a live trade. So if you hold out to the second part of the video, it's going to be a live trade of what I did on Friday. Anyways, I'm not going to do those type of videos much, but it's just this time I'm going to have this one like that. Let's get into this video now and see what I done did this week. Later.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So it is actually Thursday, October the 1st. But for some reason, my video I recorded yesterday got jacked all up. I guess I had it recording the wrong screen and it just ended up black, and I just noticed it as I went through to look at it to edit it, or I edit some stuff on it. But anyways, I'm gonna go over it now. Now today I didn't take a trade at all because of yesterday. You'll see in a second. But if you look up here, you can see that my account is down. I lost yesterday $193. So we back to where we was at when the account ended up getting down in the first place last week. So all the profits I made since last week, I ended up back down. So anyways, I took a trade off of this big green candle at 33.35. Then I added at 38. And then I added at 44 or 41 and 44. But when I added at 44, I took a contract off. And when I added at 41, I took a contract off. And then I added at 44. And I guess I did something to take a contract off then too, because I still only had one contract. And I should have had two contracts. So somewhere in here it got jacked up, and when it did this move, I was only in one contract, and I didn't want to take it off. I was down $60 once it got up here when I was only supposed to have been down 30. So when it did this pullback and I only had the one contract, I noticed it, and it was already too late for me to add. So I technically should have just started all the way over and just took the loss. They pulled back enough to where I would have been down $30 and I should have just started over. But me being goofy, I ended up holding the one contract, added up here somewhere, and then I added another contract up here, and then I added two more contracts, and once it popped up, I took them all off for a $193 loss. So yesterday's ended up being a $93 loss, or a $193 loss. And today I just didn't take a trade because I didn't want to trade on my phone while I was at work. So I just didn't end up trading, which I would have ended up in the green off of this. And if I would have took my trade off of down here, this break for it to bounce back, I would have ended up taking a trade off of this and making some money. But I didn't take the trade, so I didn't take anything for Thursday, but I'm just going to add this with my live trade for Friday, and I'll just put it out with that. So that's the trade that I would have had. I'm down 193. We're going to start with 374, and we'll see if we could try to build this thing back up. So that's it. All right. So we're getting ready to try to catch a trade out the gate. The market's getting ready to open. So hopefully we can catch something. Anyways, here we go. It gapped down a lot if you can look over here from where it ended at yesterday. So I'm hoping that I can catch a pop the short. But it looked like it's come straight down as soon as it opened. It opened at 16. It's already, it dropped down to 12. Just that fast. I kind of missed the entry if I was going to get in from 16. So now I got to wait to see what other setup I could catch off of this. Dang, that sucks. And I don't want to try to force a trade. So, let me see what we got going on up here. 26. Look how much it's pushing up. The market's done fell apart. Closed all the way up here. So it's at 323. Yeah, I'm not gonna take nothing right now. I'm gonna wait for another setup. So I'm gonna pause it till something pop up. So I'm trying to catch a short at 335, and if it pop up over this over 337, then I'm gonna take it off because it kind of looked like it was flat. It's flagging down here, so I'm looking for it to at least push back the VWAP. If it don't, if it breaks over 337, then I'm gonna just take it off. So that's my plan. So we're gonna see if we can get this push down up under this. But right now, it's hanging around this same area and not breaking either way. It double topped up here. I was thinking about taking it up here, the short. Well, let me get on out of here before this thing start ripping back up on me. Give it a little time. It's only like $10 anyway, something like that. $10. Yeah. Well, they don't want to cooperate.
Order filled.
Play too much, but I ended up losing $23 on it. But nothing set up yet, so we're going to see if we can catch another trade. All right. So I got a
Order filled.
Just got filled at 33.50. Placing another one at 33.53. If this thing wanted to come back down, I'm looking to take it off at 33.44. But that's the plan. Hopefully it can make it back down here to this support area, or it's right before it hits support. So if it gets up to the 53, I'm going to move where I want to take it off at. Probably the 49, maybe 48, depend on because of how it looks. We had kind of had a big number sitting here too, so for it to go through it that quick and easy, I'm probably standing in front of a train right now. But we're gonna try this anyways. If it gets up here, I'll probably set it for to take it off at 49, just because the way it's moving. We got all this strength. But we shall see. It's getting ready to fill it, looks like. Well, it's stalling around. Like it always do me. Stall around my orders. Instead of deciding which way I want to go right off. It's pulling back, so I'm gonna pause it. When it either gets filled or look like it's about to get filled, I update everything and let you know the next move.
Order filled.
So it filled my next order. So I'm gonna put the exit at 49. Where did I get filled at? 53. Guess I add one at 56. See if we can get one at 56. The candle's starting to get smaller, so it may be ready to pull back. Where's 48, 49? I should put it up under here. But no, I just put it where I normally put it at. Won't even try to be greedy or nothing. That'll basically make me break even if it feels this. So let's see. It's pulling back. This thing got a lot of strength today. Whatever's in the news, which I guess it's the batter dip mentality, because we had this big drop and the gap down. It looked like it's teetering around my dang on average instead of getting his butt down here. Come on and cash me out. Stop playing. Keep on pushing up. So we'll 51 will be the next exit if it fills me. But we may not even have to go through all of that. We just got to break this area. Get back down through 50. All right, let's do it now. Come on, you right there. Stop playing. Take my order out.
Order filled.
All right. So now we break even. Up $1.25, but it's break even. So if I can get another trade off, I get this thing back rolling. Otherwise, we'll see what we can do. So I'm going to be done for the day. Don't see nothing that I really like. Anyways, we're going to get back at this on Monday. Start trying to build this account back up. So if y'all like this kind of content, make sure you drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Let me know how y'all did on Friday. And we'll be back at this on Monday. Later.